How are you? Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see I've got a lot more colour on my face, and that is because today is a makeup video. I love these. I haven't done one in ages. That's why I thought, do you know what, I'm going to do a Christmas one because I wanted to do something Christmas related for my last video before Christmas. And yeah, I thought, you know what, I actually had something planned anyway. I was wanting to review this Revolution makeup because I saw on Instagram it was very hyped up. I saw a girl on Instagram on the Revolution page holding up, and I was like, whoa, like, look at the colours. I was just like, so I went onto the website and it was on a sale. I literally got it for like £14. All of these shades for £14. I mean, look at the size of it. It's huge. Yeah, I just thought, you know what, I'm going to get it. I'm going to do a review on it. And yeah, so, and it was kind of weird actually because I bought it at night, and then my best friend messaged me in the next morning and was like, oh my god, you've got to review this palette. And I was like, beat it. So yes, this is what I've done. So I wanted to review this, and I also wanted to create a Christmassy look. So as you can see, I've got the greens, and you know what, I was thinking, will I go like cliche and do green reds, or will I kind of, you know, I feel like red isn't the best colour on me, so that's why I was like, will I do more like a darky kind of pinks and reds? And to be honest, I was going with this palette because there's actually no bright red on there. As you can see, it's very kind of pinks or dark reds, orangey, just very warm colours, and then all of the blues and the greens. So I was fine with the green. As you can see, I've got lots of shades there, and I got them all on my eyes. And yeah, so I just thought, okay, I'll mix it up a bit and do some, you know, just duller reds and things like that, just so it's not like in your face but it's still like Christmassy. And I got my little bulbils on, which are cute, and I'm feeling so festive. I just wanted to say I've had the best year on YouTube, and I'm just so like, I feel so grateful and lucky to have all of you guys. I cannot believe we're nearly at 50,000 Annie Angels, and I just feel like I just feel so blessed and happy, and this is going to be a good Christmas because I feel like I'm finally doing something that I've always wanted to do. So enough of the sloppy chat. I just wanted to say a massive thank you, and yeah, we're growing together, and I just cannot wait for 2019. So if you're interested in this look and you want to create a green, fun kind of, you know, Christmassy green, is the green ready look, keep on watching. And yeah, I mean, if I can do it, anyone can. I always say in my makeup videos, I'm not a makeup artist, nowhere in the nearest at all, and yeah, I just love makeup, I love playing with it. So yeah, like I said, if you enjoy, you know, if you enjoy looking, I hope you have the most wonderful Christmas day wherever you are in the world, with friends, family. I hope you have the most wonderful day, and yeah, man, I just love Christmas. I mean, I'm all like sparkly. Christmas is my favourite time of year. Got all the festive, you know, I've got the bubbles on, I've got the sparkles on. This is from Catch Me This Blazer, by the way, and I don't even know where these are from. I think I picked them up at like some Christmas market a few years ago, but you can get bubble earrings anywhere. But yeah, so I will see you guys after Christmas, and Merry Christmas! Okay guys, so I started off with this lovely dark shade, and I was popping it just in my crease and blended that out all over. Just, you know, it really does depend how dark you want it, but I do want a nice contrast between the two shades that I'm going to be working with today. I'm then mixing in a lighter shade just at the top of that colour that I put on, and yeah, I'm just mixing it in just to add a bit more colour, and then I went a little bit lighter with this little shimmer here just to add a bit more, just a bit more red, but it's not like too in your face. I then went in with a darker, kind of like dark red purpley colour, just to kind of really add contrast to the crease area. I then went straight into a cut crease using my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm now going to go in with this lovely green shade, and I'm just going to gently pat that on to my eyelid. I then decided to spread out the cut crease more, yeah, just to, you know, make it more woo. I'm then going in with this lovely shimmer shade, and it is like a really nice kind of evening green. It's got a hint of blue in there, and yeah, I think it will look really nice just kind of darken off the edges of the green that we've already got on there. I'm then spreading that out using a brush. Then taking the concealer again with a detailed brush, and I'm just going to neaten and kind of clean it up a little bit. Going in with the lighter green shimmer, and I'm just going to pop that onto the concealer that we just did to neaten up the eyeshadow, and yeah, it'll just like make it pop. Going in with a nice metallic brighter green, and I'm just going to pop that under my eye just to like blend it out and just to add a bit more different shades of green. I'm now going in with a really nice kind of lighter green shimmer metallic, and using a brush I'm just going to pat that on. And I'm just going to pop that in the middle of my eyelid just to, you know, add a bit more highlight, and I'm then going to blend it out to the corner of my eye, just adding, you know, the different tones to my eyeshadow. I then used a black cream-based eyeshadow, you know, like black pomade, or just wetting a black eyeshadow will do, just to do my eyeliner. Then after that, add your lashes, and make sure you don't use any mink lashes because this is a cruelty-free video. And this is your finished look. So I really hope you enjoyed that video. It was just a little quick one just to create a nice colourful look. It's not your usual kind of cliche bright green, bright red, which is why I wanted to do something a little bit different, and it's not too in your face either, and it complements my lippy as well. And I'm wearing NYX matte liquid lipstick on my lips, and it is in shade 14. And yeah, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas again. And I hope you have the most wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Merry Christmas!